Hello fellow photographers. If you've ever been in the situation you had to shoot in the rain, I got a quick tip for you how to protect yourself and the camera. I'm not a huge fan of those typical camera rain covers because they are limiting my flexibility of operating the camera. There's not usually enough room to operate inside and it's like really tight space, which I'm not really a huge fan of. So this solution for me works much better. If you are like me and hate using one of those typical camera rain covers, you are in the right spot, and I will show you my trick how I'm using rain cover or rain poncho. I will link it in the description below so you can get one for yourself if you will find this tip very useful, which I hope you will. So this is how normal people use rain poncho, and since I'm not normal, I will show you how I'm using mine. So to protect yourself and your camera, you have to turn this sideways. Now protect your ears because it's gonna be very noisy. So as you can see, this is one side, this is the sleeve. If you clip it, those buttons, you can see, that's a sleeve. You can use the other one if you want. Same story, doesn't matter which one you use, left, right, it's up to you. Still same thing, it's a sleeve. So the next step is you need to attach lens hood to the sleeve. Let me show you. I'm using one of those clips for this. They are called paper clips or foldback clips. I'll probably link them below anyway. So you take the sleeve, clip it on like this. I'm using 3 here, but probably you'll be fine using just 2. You can always use 3 for an extra safety. So that's how it looks when the sleeve is attached to the lens hood. So the next step is to attach lens hood to the lens, as you will normally do. Just make sure it's attached to the camera, the orientation you want to shoot, so it will give you like the full flexibility of the movement. So this is how it looks inside. There's another thing you need to do. Since the hood has a hole, you need to hide inside, tighten it up. So you got a really tiny hole here. And now you're covered. Camera is covered, you are covered. You can shooting standing, sitting, you can use it vertically, you can use it horizontally. It gives you like full flexibility of using the camera. You can still operating zoom. You are not limited with the movements. But when you shoot standing, you might need waterproof trousers to protect your legs. As you can see, this is like a little bit short now, using that way. So extra protection for legs might be needed. But if you're using like waterproof trousers, you'll be fine. As you can see, you can still attach your monopod or tripod if you want to use it. There's one more thing worth to notice. I went with the poncho that has those clip-on buttons. There are other types with Velcro or zipper. The zipper ones, I'm not convinced they will work. I will show you why, what I really mean. So you need to have a big enough gap here to operate the camera, because if you go the zipper, if you go all the way up, depending which way it's going up or down, you might not have that big enough gap. The ones with Velcro, they still might work, but with the zipper, depending how the zipper works, so I'm not sure. Safer way might be go with the clip-on buttons or the Velcro. You can try the ones with the zipper and let us know in the comments if they work or not. I will link them in the description below as well, so you can get the same one or something similar. Okay, I think that's it. That's my quick tip how to protect yourself and your camera when shooting in the rain. Thank you. I hope you find this useful and keep on shooting in the rain.